Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to select who can reblock your post on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to select who can reblock on your posts on your Tumblr application, on your Tumblr account is going to show. For an example, here I'm just going to type something like hi. So I just need to select who can reblock this post. For that, first of all, click on the stated option on the top. Now you have this option called reblog control. Click on this. So you have a two option. Who can reblock? Choose who can reblock this post. Anyone mentioned can always reblock. So it's actually on anyone. So I just need to make it as no one. Click on the no one option, and then that's it. So click on the three dot. Click on the reblock control and click on no one. That's it. This is how we just change, and you can just post whenever you just need it. And also you can also control the same process on the existing post. So this is how you just select the control of the reblock option on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.